Okay, let's try the last two questions here. The first one's real easy and the last one's a little bit tricky. So let's try this. They want you on the same set of axes as you've got that parabola. Graph the line g of x equals minus x minus 1. Well, holy cow, that's pretty easy. What's the y-intercept? You let x equal 0, minus 0, y is minus 1. And if you let y equal 0, add x, x is equal to minus 1. Well, that's pretty darn easy. There's the line. Here's your sketch. On the same thing, put a minus 1 for y, a minus 1 for x, and then connect it. You have the shape, the two intercepts, you've got your three marks, and label it g. Now, for which values of x is f of x times g of x less than or equal to 0? These are y values. That's sort of saying, where do the y values of f multiply by the y values of g to give you a negative number? Where does that happen? Well, say you were right here, right at this point right here. They'd both be positive. G is positive, so it wouldn't work there. Wouldn't work there. But we know that to the left of here, look, that's negative. That's positive. It would work anywhere to the left of minus 2. And that's one of our answers. This is the x-axis. When g and f are on opposite sides of the x-axis, they'll multiply together to equal a negative number. So that's one of the answers. X is less than or equal to minus 2. I even put a red line here, you can see. That'll be positive, that'll be negative. It works there. Where else does it work? Well, at minus 1, y is 0. Well, that satisfies the deal. It's equal to 0. So minus 1 works. Does it work a little bit to the right of minus 1? Oh, yeah, because g will be negative, but f will be positive. In fact, it keeps working. It keeps working. Positive, negative, but something happens at 6. Because after this one, the g will be negative. You can't see it. It's way, way down there. But this will be negative. They'll both be negative past g. And when you multiply, it won't be less than 0. So you're looking at the answers in red here. X is less than or equal to 6 and greater than minus 1, in between 6 and minus 1. Or to the left, x is less than or equal to minus 2. There's your answers. That's a little bit tricky.